Alright guys, so today we're going to do test 2 review. So, distance. Find the distance from 1,7 to -2, -6. Again, we're looking at decrease in 3 for the x's. So we have there 3 squared, and an increase in 1 for the y's. So -3 squared plus a 1 squared, that's the square root of 9 plus 1, square root of 10. Question 2, solve for x. The two top shorter segments add up to make the bottom segment. So 1 plus 29 is 30, 2x plus 30 equals x plus 20. X from 2x is x. 20 subtract 30 is -10. You can put it back in and verify that's right. -20 plus 29 is 9 plus 1 is 10. And then -10 plus 20 is 10. Alright, next question. These angles are going to be supplementary. So 2 plus 40 is 42. So we have here 3x plus 42 equals 180. I can divide everything by 3 right here if I want, or I can take 42 from 180, yielding 138, and divide that by 3. So 3 into 138, we're going to do 4 times, because that's 12, and then 6 times to get the 18. For that, again, to take your time. So you can do it longhand, the division, if you need to. 4 times to get 12, and 6 times. Or you can just think of it as 3 times 40 is 120, and then 3 times 6, 18. Alright, these add up to 360. So 297 plus 28. 15, 12, 325, take away from 360. That is 35 degrees. Angle B. Alright, next one. This is OR. This is if and only if. And these are both if then. So negation of P or Q. So John isn't tall. Or he doesn't. Because again, Q already says he doesn't eat beans. Alright, John is tall. If and only if, which can be abbreviated with IFF, he doesn't eat beans. Converse. John doesn't eat beans. That's if John doesn't eat beans. Then he is tall. The inverse. John isn't tall. If John isn't tall. Then he eats beans. I'm going to have to negate Q here. There's no one with negation Q. So take the not out of that. Alright, so there we go. Got the OR, got the if and only if statement, biconditional, got a converse, got an inverse there. Next thing, identify the type of angles. These are in the same spot. Those are corresponding. If the x was here, it'd be alternate interior. If the y was here, it'd be alternate exterior. These are both inside, so these are consecutive interior, D. If x was here, it'd be alternate interior, alternate sides. So again, check which side they are. These are supplementary. Add these up. We get 187. Set it equal to 180. X is equal to negative 7. These are equal. 10x minus 3 equals 9x plus 5. 9 from 10x is x. 3 and 5 is 8. There's page 1. We got 25 questions, 4 points each. 48 points. Page 2. Find the slope of a line parallel. Parallel means same. So the slope of a line parallel is right there. Rewrite the question. Just rewrite the slope. Don't change the number. Perpendicular means negative reciprocal. Negative, negative, reciprocal. So there's the slope. Flip it. Change the sign. Positive 2/7 instead of negative 2/7. Finished. Right, slope-intercept form. We want the slope first. So again, this is the distance. Negative 1 to negative 2 is decreasing by 1. 4 to 0 is decreasing by 4. We want the y on the top here. So the y is negative 4. The x is negative 1. There's my slope. Down 4, left 1. That can be written as a positive 4 over 1. So that's y is equal to, you can leave it as 4 over 1, or make it into a 4 because it's divided evenly. Y is equal to 4x. Now I need the y-intercept. The y-intercept is when x is 0. So I don't have the y-intercept here. So right now what I have is the point slope form. So I'll need to use one of these 2 points to find the y-intercept. So what I can do here is I can put this one in for y1 and this one in for x1. And I'll have point slope form. So I should do y minus 4 actually, instead of y equals. I should do y minus 4 equal to 4 times the quantity x plus 1. I'll distribute here and then add the 4 over. Y minus 4 equals 4x plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4x plus 8. There's the slope-intercept form. There's my y-intercept. Alright, this one, point slope form, we just have to do it in the correct format. Y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1. So I'm using the same form on both of these to start. This one's just easier. Y minus 5 equals slope, negative 1/4, x plus 4. Finish. Pay attention on number 15. I believe on the test I made it so it's a y-intercept, the second value. 0, comma, a point, 0, comma, number. I think it's flipped around, if I remember right. Alright, this is isosceles, because 2 sides equal. And acute, because all the angles less than 90, between 0 and 90. Acute isosceles. Again, the words you're looking at, the possibility of the word bank for these. There's acute. So first off, you pick from acute, right, obtuse. So let's go through those words here. So acute, between 0 and 90 for all of them. So these are all less than 90, between 0 and 90. Right, if one of them is equal to 90. So that there's a right triangle. Start off with your angle names, always. Here's another one that has a 90-degree angle. That's a right triangle. You only have to have 190. That's all you can ever have on a triangle. You can't have more than 190. And here we have an obtuse angle. So this one is obtuse. So there are the angle names. Side names. Scalene is if all of them are different. Isosceles is if 2 are equal, like we just did. And then equilateral is if all of them are the same. So here I've got 2 equal again. That's isosceles. Again, I'm not going to take off for spelling. Here I've got none of them equal. That's scalene. Here again I got 2 equal. That's another isosceles. For these questions, I'll put up a word bank for you on the test. I'll put it up on the board. Alright, supplementary. Every triangle adds to 180. 67 plus 59, 16, 126 from 180. 54. Here, I need to find the inner angle first by adding and subtracting from 180. 58 plus 30, 88. 180 take away 88 is 92. And then I need to do it again. So I found a 92 here by doing supplementary. I'm going to do it again to find this angle here. 92 and 45, 7, 137, 180 minus 137, 43. Alright, exterior angle theorem states that 58 is the sum of these two. So for this angle, I'll do 58 minus 22. 36. You can also use the supplementary theorem here, then add and subtract from 180 if you forget the exterior angle theorem. 58 subtract from 180 is 122. 122 plus 22 is 144. Subtract from 180 is 136. Alright, here. This missing angle is 45. How do I know? Because 45 plus 90 is 135. 180 minus 135 is 45. So we'll set 4x plus 5 equal to 45. 4x plus 5 equals 45. 5 from 45 is 40. And that's 4 into 40 is 10. Here, exterior angle theorem again. These two add up to make 96. So I'm going to add those two on the left, not the 96. Negative 2 plus 2, that's nice because that's 0. 21 and 27 is 48. X, 96. And divide by 48, 2. 4 points each again here. Anyways, go through it again. Make sure you can do them for the test Friday. Good luck. 12 minutes.